Hello everyone, I've been shopping online and it's not what you think this time. It's not makeup, it's not shoes, it's not even a handbag. I have a robot. Just in time for Christmas, I received my Reachy Mini. Let's unbox the Reachy Mini together. Okay, so what is the Reachy Mini and why am I so excited? Reachy Mini, it's such a cute little name. It is a desktop robot that is designed by Hugging Face for AI experimentation. So you can really build on top of it and you can make your Reachy Mini do personalized things. I don't know yet what, ooh, everything's shaking. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do with mine, but I've got some ideas. Y'all can drop in the comments what you think. I'm opening this super careful. But if you're building with like embodied AI, if you're into robotics, if you're into reinforcement learning, oh my God, it's already so cute. It's already so cute. Even the package is cute. It's definitely something you want to look at. If you're a builder like me, it's already got his little like Wall-E image. Wall-E, it's so cute. Yeah, so I don't know how to get this out gracefully. Reachy Mini. He's just gonna be so cute. I think one of the smartest moves in robotics is making them cute. I think that makes us less likely to vandalize them when we see them in the wild. Or maybe more likely, I don't know. So, getting in here, Reachy Mini. First thing I see is a booklet. Getting started. I'm gonna need a lot of help because I didn't do any research on this yet. I just know like, oh, sticky. I know that you can like code with it. I know that Python works. I just thought for me it would be a great introduction into robotics. But looks like I'm gonna have to assemble my little guy, maybe. They got instructions in here how to assemble him. There's a lot of steps in here. I don't know, maybe that's useful to understand how he works. Or she, I don't know yet. So that's gonna be super helpful. And let's see what Hugging Face stickers I got. I've been tracking this package forever. It did take them a while to ship it, but oh my God, he's so cute. That is totally fine. Like I just want to get it right, you know, so I can wait. Here are the other pieces. Oh, this is gonna be a long project. He's almost like an advent calendar. Take him out real careful. Okay, that's his head. Mid. And his little footsies. And that's everything in the box. My Reachy Mini is finally here. I'm gonna keep the box because it's really cute because it's got his picture on there. And super excited to see what all is in these little pieces. Okay, in terms of size, he's pretty much what I would expect. About the size that I expected. We'll see when we take them out and look at all the pieces in here. But this is definitely a tool for engineers, developers. I also feel like it could be a pretty fun tool for kids. I feel like learning robotics in this day and age and learning AI and mathematics is actually really important. Software engineering as well. And I don't know how much they're teaching that in the public schools nowadays, but if I had a kid, I would get them stuff like this to start tinkering with. I feel like building is absolutely the best way to learn. Okay, so let's open up one of these boxes and just see how many pieces here. How much work do I have cut out for me putting this little guy together? Super careful, he's so special. Ah. Okay. What else we got in here? Oh my God, this is gonna be like assembling IKEA furniture. I don't like IKEA furniture, but I'm fairly thrifty, so a lot of my furniture is from IKEA. So at least I have practice. This is just some more pieces. Looks like a power cord. Maybe his eyeballs. Oh, I hope we can make his eyeballs glow. The thing that's really cool about this robot is that he's open source. So there's a really cool like builder community around working with him. I think like now that these are shipped, I think we're just gonna see like a lot of really creative ideas in the open source community. That's gonna be fun. I'm gonna put this all back carefully and we'll look at the other pieces. But so far my takeaway from this is that I have my weekend cut out for me because I'm gonna be assembling IKEA robot. He has a lot of pieces. I also think that I could get like little outfits for him too. Like remember American Girl dolls where they wear like matching outfits with you? Like maybe I can have my Reachy Mini wear matching outfits. Okay, this is the middle part. That looks like, I don't know, a screwdriver and some springy things. Middle part, a little bit of base. More pieces that I can't really see. But yeah, tons of pieces here. Sorry, that's all probably really loud. He comes in so many pieces. And this is the last box. So, this should be the base. Cool. You know, I think with all my experience building IKEA furniture, I can put this guy together pretty quickly. This is definitely a tool for builders, robotics enthusiasts, open source enthusiasts, AI enthusiasts, whoever y'all are. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with mine yet, like I said, but I would love some ideas. I'm sure once I get it put together, I'm going to start to feel inspired and think about some cute things that it can do. But yeah, follow my journey. I'll probably post what other open source project I put together. Bye.